Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new viewer, then where have you been? Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you truly enjoy today's content. My channel is mostly about fashion and beauty, so if those are your topics, then stick around. And if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I missed you guys. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a Halloween inspired makeup tutorial for October. Today, I'm just feeling really fall-like. I'm feeling the vibes of October, so I really want to do like an orange Halloween inspired makeup look. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. Let's just dive right into the video. So the first step I did before even turning on my camera was my skincare routine. The first step I did was wash my face. I used the You to the People Superfood Cleanser. That is my top favorite cleanser in the whole wide world. That's kind of dramatic, but I'm serious. Like, I love this cleanser. It works beautiful wonders for my skin. After cleansing my face, I go ahead and use my niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% by The Ordinary. And then for my moisturizer, I just use the Superfood Air Whipped Moisture Cream by You to the People. And sunscreen is my most important step, y'all. I've been trying out this new sunscreen by Supergoop. It is called the Unseen Sunscreen, and it has SPF 40. Of course. So this product has primer in it. That's why I love using this product before makeup. Another thing before I start this video is I also have a beauty blender. It is from Walgreens. It is a microfiber sponge. The foundation I'm using today is going to be by Makeup Forever, the Ultra HD. This is my top favorite foundation of all time, and it's in the shade Y425. Like 3 pumps is fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending out my foundation. Of course, I knew it. The beauty blender is soaking up my foundation. Oh, that's what I get for getting cheap beauty blenders. God, of course. Next up, I am going to just add my concealer onto my trouble areas. So for the concealer, I'm using the Hourglass in the color Flax. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my under eye bags and anywhere I want it to be highlighted. So y'all, now that I'm done blending my foundation and concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and put some powder on. For the powder, I always use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm using the small little brush from Eco Tools. So I'm gonna go ahead, I just like put some on my tray. I'm just gonna go ahead and just dust it on the places where I know will crease easy. So I'm done with my foundation, concealer, and powder. So the next step I'm gonna do, y'all, is my eyebrows. I always wipe off the excess foundation that got onto it and powder. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this angle brush by Eco Tools. So yeah, first I trace the brow and then I color it in. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. I'm just gonna go use an angle brush, and I'm gonna be using my concealer I was using earlier, the Hourglass. Got a nice bold little brow going on right there. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this in. So that is the finished brow on that side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this brow. I just did the other eyebrow off screen. So for the eye makeup, I'm going to be using a shade from Kat Von D Shade Plus Light Eye. This is an old one, y'all. Right there. Regular smegular eyeshadow brush. Just for the base. Always want to get a nice little base going. Next shade I'm going to be using is from the Urban Decay Wired palette. Is the color called Switch. Apply it just all over. Go ahead and put just some Scotch tape on so I get that nice straight line. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use a different palette. I'm going to be using the Naughty Nude palette by Huda Beauty. And I'm going to go ahead and take off some of this just on the lids. So I'm just going to use my concealer and put some on the brush. Just on my eyelid, I'm just going to put that concealer on, not on the whole eyelid. Just on where I want my other color to go. I'm going to be using this color right here called Tantric. Using this brush by Mary Kay. It was what I was using earlier. Just a stiff brush right where I put my concealer. And now it's on both eyes. I'm using my blending just to kind of blend out the top. Go ahead and also use this palette from Morphe. Kind of like color right here. It's very shimmery and it's orange, so I feel like that'll look very nice. My Kat Von D Shade Plus Light Eye palette. Again, I'll be using it as a smoky eye, kind of like to the end right there. Back with the orange. Just a tiny bit more black. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. For the lashes, I'm gonna be using one by Kiss. I got these from Walgreens. Lash Drip Spiky and Boosted Volume. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the corners of it. The corners always hurt me. Lash glue, I'm using one by Kiss. Their lash strip adhesive. We're using the Milk Kush mascara. The blush, I'm just gonna be using the colors from the Morphe palette. Just that red color right there. I'm just gonna be using this Mary Kay blush brush. What? Go ahead and put some of the blush right on my chin just so it can blend out. And then I also put some blush right where my contour would be. With my contour, I'm going to go ahead and use my Mary Kay angle brush. I'll be using the Patrick Ta for Face Cream and Contour Powder Bronzer Duo. Color, she's chiseled. I'm just gonna get on my cheekbones and everywhere I want to be emphasized. I'm also gonna connect it like into my eyelid so it looks natural. So for the highlighter, I'm going to use one by Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter in the color Honey. Do the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, just anywhere I want to be highlighted, honestly. So this is a finished look. Just a really simple Halloween look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to add, make sure you guys leave it down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next video.